Everybody, welcome back to my volcano in a cup, and I did this green one in my outside of a video because my last videos that I made were completely horrible. Well, not the first one that I made, but never mind. Okay, so today I will be making a blue one. Okay, so I already poured that outside my video. So yeah, I'm gonna put. Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's just under it. I was like, what the heck is that? Is it multi? Wait, that makes no sense. Go. Finally, success! It's alive! Yay! Okay, I'm just gonna have to put that over here. Okay, so, I'll put it in there. Look at that. See that bubbles? Then I scored the whole thing. Oh, geez, I almost put this on the tray. Is it working? Is it going to fall over, or is it just going to stop here? Come on. Keep going, please. Please do it. Oh, yeah, it's doing it. No. No, more baking soda. More vinegar. You must tip over. Oh, God. Put in big. Come on. Success. Succeed. Please. I don't think this is a good idea. Come on. Please. It's not gonna work. This one was a failure. I hate you, Blue. I hate you. You're an evil, Blue. Okay, still. Yeah, I'm just going to keep that. That blue, I just hate it. Oh crap, I'm almost out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this one right here. Oh shoot, wait, yeah. This one's orange. Let's do the orange. Oh, like that. Hi. This is gonna be so awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna put my baking soda. Make sure I have enough. Oh yeah! Now that's what I wanted. Oh God, it's going. It's erupting. That's what I wanted. Oh shoot! I did it in the wrong can. What the heck? That hurt? Yeah. Okay, so I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, so I think this will be my last one, sadly. Put that one in here. This one will be the best of them all. Okay, so I'm going to have to put two of here. 1, 2. I think that was actually 3. Who cares? So yeah, you think this is going to be the best of them all? Because I already did a red one. Then put a little yellowish, orange, I don't know what the heck this color is. Put that in there. Stir it up. Put some of this in it. I always have trouble with this blue. Ah, I like that color. This is looking so awesome. Oh, that looks so cool. And then for the final one, the green. Oh. Now, take a nice little moment and check this out. So epic. Now, for the last thing. Oh, it's green? I don't want just green. Oh, sweet. Put some of this in. Go. Oh, now it's blue. So we already had a green one. Now we have a blue one. Now we have an orange one. Come on, red, 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 red. Give me red, and a red one. Yeah, we got all the colors in. Woo! Oh, tie-dye. I love that color. Oh, look at that. Do you see that steam? Right over here. It's like steamish. Hi. This looks so epic. Don't you guys think this rocks? So yeah. Sadly, this is my end of the video, and my name is Tay in the real world, but when I play Minecraft, my name is Longshot13, or it says, what it says? I think it says Tay Tay, or whatever. So yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video that I make. Bye!